My beautiful friends, how you all doing? This is the part 2 to the previous video I made regarding the things you should get ready, okay, in preparation for the listing of the PIXFI token. Okay, if you've not seen that video, it's going to be linked in the description, or you could simply just check my latest videos. Okay, so this one is a very quick one. It is about wallets. I've been getting a lot of questions regarding wallets. Okay, so let's quickly clear this out. If you click on this right here, okay, you can see it shows 3 wallets. I've got 3 wallets here. I've got a wallet from Bybit, another one from OKX. Okay, now this wallet is an OKX Web3 wallet. Okay, I created an OKX Web3 wallet and then connected it to this platform. So there is an OKX exchange wallet and an OKX Web3 wallet. So this one is my OKX Web3 wallet, and then this one is also another wallet of mine from Keeper. Okay, so now I have these wallets, but here is the thing: make sure that whatever wallet you make your main wallet, okay, you can see Bybit is my main wallet here. Make sure that this same wallet will be the wallet you will connect on your Pixelverse dashboard. This is very important. Okay, this is very important. It must be the same wallet. If Bybit is your main wallet, it must be the same on your Pixelverse dashboard. Okay, so let me do it now so you understand what I'm saying. So I'm gonna make my OKX Web3 wallet my main wallet. So I'm gonna click on this, and down here you can see it says set as a main wallet. So it's all a matter of choice. Whatever you want to do, you can just do it. So now this is my main wallet. So let me show you what you can do from here. Go to your profile and click on this. If I'm clicking on that and it doesn't bring you to this dashboard like this, then your Pixeltap is not connected to the Pixelverse dashboard. You need to make sure that they are connected. Very important. I pointed this out in my previous video. Okay, so the next very important thing you have to do here is to go to this wallet icon, click on that, and ensure the wallet you connected on the Pixeltap is the one connected here. So I made OKX my main wallet, so I'm gonna click on OKX now. That took me to OKX and prompted me to connect my wallet. If I click on this, now you can see my wallet is connected because it says here disconnect. If you pay attention to the starting digits and letters of this wallet, you can see it reads OXE5B6. And back here you can see that it reads the same thing, OXE5B6. I'm pointing this out to show you that they are the same wallet. Okay, the wallet here and the one on the dashboard are the same. So the last thing I want to show is under your profile, scroll down to this place, use this pencil icon, and that's going to display these details here. Okay, scroll down to assigned socials and make sure to connect your socials. You can see my Twitter handle is connected, my Discord handle is also connected. I'm yet to connect my Telegram, so connect yours also. Make sure these are connected. And on Pixeltap, ensure to do all the work here. You can see almost all of them are done. Okay, this is it for this video. If you've not seen the previous one, make sure to watch it. I'm going to link it in the description of this video. I shared other important things that I didn't talk about in this video. This is it for this video. This is Pixelbees. This is Guy Ken signing off for now.